Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and a school situated in Golam Bazar. Today in class 2nd, we are going to learn skip count by 2. Okay? And also we will learn table of 2. Okay? And also we are going to solve exercise 4.2. So without wasting our time, come on the topic, and today's topic is escape count by 2. Escape count by 2. Today's topic is escape count by 2. Today we will cover this topic. Okay, so listen carefully what I want to tell you. Okay, so now you know that the numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. And now what you have to do, begin at 2 and color every second number. Begin at 2 and color every second number. Begin at 2 and color every second number. 2 4 6 8 10. Begin at 2 and color every second number. So use the same color too for all the numbers. 12 14 16 18 20. Okay, these are the numbers that colored. And now write the numbers you have colored. Write the numbers you have colored. These numbers are 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. The numbers are 2 4 6 8 12 10 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 and 20. And now you see that the colored boxes have numbers that end with 0 2 4 6 and 8. You can see here, you see that the colored boxes have numbers that end with 0 2 4 6 and 8. Read the 2 times table and write the multiplication facts. Read the 2 times table. Read the 2 times table and write the multiplication fact. Write the multiplication. Write the multiplication fact. Write the multiplication facts. Okay. Now you can see here that the multiplication factor. These are. This is 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And the multiplication fact will be 1 multiplied 2. 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. And now 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 times 2 is 4, and the multiplication factor is 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. And now 3 times 2 is 3 times 2 is 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. And 4 times 4 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, and the multiplication factor will be 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. And the next one is 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 5 times 2 is 10, and the multiplication factor will be 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10. Now 6 times 2 is 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12, and the multiplication factor will be 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12. And now the next is 7 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14, and 7 multiplied 2 is equal to 14. And now 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 8 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16, and the multiplication factor will be 8 multiplied 2 is equal to 16. And 9 times 2 is 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2 is 9 times 2 is 18, and multiplication factor will be 9 multiplied 2 is equal to 18. And 10 times 2 is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And 10 times 2 is 10 times 2 is 20, the multiplication fact will be 10 multiplied 2 is equal to 20. Okay. Now note it down. If you want to take the screenshot, then you can take. Now come on the next topic, that is write a number, write a multiplication fact, and that is related to exercise 4.2. You know that is exercise 4.2, write a multiplication fact. I have told you that how you can write a multiplication fact for any group. Okay, so let's come on the question, and you have to solve this question, and also I am telling about it how you have to solve it. So the first one is, there are two groups of melons. There are two groups of melons, and the multiplication fact will be 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. Why the multiplication fact will be 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4? Because there are two groups of melons, and 2 is the number of group. First is the number of groups, and you know that there are two groups, and 2 is the number of melons in each group. So second 2 is the number of melons in each group. So the multiplication fact will be 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. Now the next one is, there are 7 groups of lychees, and you know that there are 7 groups. So the multiplication fact will be 7 multiplied 2 is equal to 14. 7 is the number of group, and 2 is the number of lychees in each group. Okay, so that is 14. And now comes on next, there are balloons, and there are 5 groups of balloons. 5 groups of balloons. 5 groups of balloons. There are 5 groups of balloons, and you know that the multiplication fact will be 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10. 5 is the number of group, and 2 is the number of balloons in each group. Okay, and now there are 4 there are balls. In 4 groups there are balls. There are, the multiplication fact will be 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. 4 is the number of group, and 2 is the number of balls in each group. In fifth, that is toffees. Toffees. There are how many groups of toffees? There are 3 groups of toffees. There are 3 groups of toffees. Okay, so the multiplication fact will be 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. 3 is the number of group, and 2 is the number of toffees in each group. And now come on the next question, that is question number B. Write a multiplication fact. 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 In the sorry for inconvenience. The next one is, write a correct number in the circle and write a multiplication fact. Okay, so here is Skippy, Bunny jumps 6 jump, 0 from 2, 2 from 4, and 4 from 6, and 6 from 8, and 8 from 10, and 10 from 12. Okay, that is 12. So 6 jumps of 2 steps each. 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 That is 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12. Because 6 is the number of jumps, and 2 is the number of covered steps in each jump. Okay, 2 is the number of steps covered in each jump. Okay, now come on the second question. In second, there are 9 jumps. There are 9 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here are how many? You have to draw 9 jumps of 2 steps each. 9 jumps of 2 steps each. 9 jumps of 2 steps each. That makes it 9 multiplied 2 is equal to 18. 9 multiplied 2 is equal to 18. Note it down, take the screenshot, and thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing. We will make a new video and new topic, new idea on next. Thank you.